All right, fifth grade, we're now into our fourth math lesson of the day, of the week. Still working with subtracting fractions. Still working with subtracting mixed numbers that have unlike denominators just like yesterday. Now the title of your worksheet says regrouping, but when I was just working through the problems myself, I noticed that actually none of them need to be regrouping. So it's just a little typo. No regrouping on this one, but we are still going to have to simplify. So it's going to be very similar to what you worked on yesterday. So let's look at one example today. The example we're going to look at is going to tell me 75 2/3 subtract 14 1/6. All right, what we need to do is we need to get that common denominator. So ask yourself, is there something that's common between 3 and 6? Well, you can change a 3 into a 6, right? Simply multiply it by 2. So that's what we're going to do. We want to keep it as simple as possible. So let's rewrite the problem, and like what we learned yesterday, when I rewrite it, I can keep that whole number the same. Since I'm changing it into a 6, I'm going to keep that 1/6 on the bottom. And on the top, I know it needs to get converted to a 6. Well, how do you change a 3 into a 6? Very good, times 2. At the top, multiply it. 2 times 2 gets you 4. All right, now let's work with, now that we have a common denominator, we can go ahead and subtract. 6 stays on the bottom. 4 take away 1 gets me 3. 5 take away 4 is 1. 7 take away 1 is 6. So I have 61 3/6. Let's take a look at how to simplify that. If you want to know how to do it with your multiplication chart, look at yesterday's video. Today I'm going to show you how to do it the mental math way. Rewrite the problem, the answer, 3/6. Ask yourself, what can fit inside of 3 and 6? Well, 3 can, so divide it out. In your head, you're thinking 3 can fit inside of 3 once, and 3 can fit inside of 6 twice. So 3/6 equals 1/2. So I get 61 1/2 as my simplified answer. Put that into practice today on toucan fraction number 10.